We've landed on the moon.
Estelle, how do you get me into these kind of situations again?
Well, you know, I just feel it's necessary because every time I take out that vacuum, well, let me just take out that vacuum again, I have to vacuum the spaceship before we step foot on the moon. Well, you know, I think we're ready.
Estelle, the spaceship is clean. I think it's time we step out on the moon. I'm going to open up the capsule door. I'm going to turn the latch.
Hey.
It's a really tough latch. And now I'm going to push open the door.
There's the moon. Oh my God. Do you see what's on the moon? I can't believe it's a marching band. Wow, I never expected to see that on the moon, Mortimer.
And look, as part of the marching band, we got an entire herd of elephants.
Boom, boom, boom.
These are very quiet elephants, very quiet. And here come the big, noisy elephants.
Boom, 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 boom.
I think those are the elephants that we're supposed to be saving.
Right.
It's true. You know, when I joined the Red Cross, they said to me that I could use this magic necklace to save any kind of animal. That if I looked down at the magic necklace, it would make a sound like a laughing hyena. It works.
It works.
Yes. All right. Should we go out?
We're going to have to put our moon suits on first.
Oh, the moon suits!
Get mine on.
Get yours on.
I'm going to zip it up.
Okay.
And I'm going to screw the helmet on.
All right, let me get mine on. I'm going to zip it up. And I'm going to screw the helmet on.
Quiet.
It's very quiet. Okay. I think we're ready now.
Let's jump down onto the moon surface.
Oh, wow. When I put my feet on the moon, it sounds like splish splashing.
Splish, splash, splish.
It's like Bobby Darin is here.
Estelle,
Yes.
look, right here on the moon. It's a whole litter of moon dogs, little moon puppies.
Oh, moon puppies. They're yapping.
Listen. They're so cute, these moon puppies.
They're adorable, but look. There's also a bunch of moon pussycats. I heard them now. Oh no. The little cats and the little dogs are getting into a big fight. All right, wait. I'll just throw some cotton candy at them. Okay.
That'll work.
That'll work. All right.
Here comes the helicopter that we're going to use to rescue the elephants.
Oh yeah.
The big helicopter, here it comes. It's a really big helicopter.
Boom.
Now, Mortimer, what's our goal? Are we trying to put the elephant on the helicopter?
We're going to get all 6 elephants into the one helicopter.
All
Yeah.
6.
3 in the front, 3 in the back.
3 in the front, 3 in the back. Okay, all right. Okay, so in order to attract the elephants, what I'm going to do is play some rap music. Elephants love rap music. Let me just turn the rap music on now.